Welcome to Mayabazar. The story is an adaptation of the folk tale Sasirekha Parinane, which in turn is based on the epic Mahabharata. It revolves around the roles of Krishna and Ghatatkacha as they try to reunite Arjuna's son Abhimanyu with his love, Balarama's daughter Sasirekha. Scene 1. Arjuna's son Abhimanyu falls in love with Balarama's daughter, Sasirekha. He makes her escape from the palace through steps made from his arrow, after which they have a nice romantic time in the boat.
ಓಹೋ ಜಗಮೇ ಆಡಿದುದೇ ಆಡಿದುದೇ ವಿಳೆಯಾಡಿದುದೇ
ಬನಿಲಾವಿನಿಲೆ ಓಹೋ ಜಗಮೇ ಆಡಿದುದೇ ಆಡಿದುದೇ ವಿಳೆಯಾಡಿದುದೇ
Scene 2. Krishna, who is aware of Duryodhana and Shakuni's real intentions, orders his charioteer Daruka to take Subhadra and Abhimanyu through the forests to Ghatotkacha's hermitage. Ghatatkacha, who happens to be Abhimanyu's cousin, at first thinks they are intruders in his forest and attacks them, but later apologizes for the misunderstanding. Scene 3. When Subhadra explains the change in the marriage arrangements, Ghatatkacha decides to wage war against both the Kauravas and Balarama. At the urging of his mother, Hidimbi, and Subhadra, Ghatatkacha abandons his plans and is advised instead to meet Krishna. At Krishna's palace, he disguises as old man and challenges Ghatatkacha to lift him, which he is unable to. This proves his greatness and powers. Krishna advises to try some trickery in Dwaraka.
నీకు తెలియదు నేనెవరు తెలియని వానికి తెలియదు.
Scene 4. With the plan from Krishna and help of Sasirekha's servant, he carries the sleeping Sasirekha in her bed from Dwaraka and flies to his hermitage. Scene 5. With the help of Chinname, Limbu and Jimbu, Ghatatkacha creates a magical town consisting of an illusory marketplace and palace. He names the town Mayabazar and invites the Kauravas to stay there. Chinname, Limbu and Jimbu introduce themselves to the Kauravas as servants appointed by Balarama to look after them.
அதிவீர தீர எதிர்கால சூர அருமை மணிகாள் வருவீரே, அருமை மணிகாள் வருவீரே. அடியார்கள் இனி தருவார்கள் அதை அன்போடு தாங்கள் பெறுவீரே. எல்லாம் உமக்கே அறிவீரே, இனிமேலும் நீங்கள் பெறுவீரே. கை 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 வை வை பிரியா.
மகுடத்தில்
மகிழ்ந்து தலைதனில் அணிந்து கொண்டால் மகாயோசனை கட்டிடுங்க, மகாயோசனை கட்டிடுங்க. சிறந்து விளங்கி சிரமதில் அழகு தந்திடும் தகதக கிரீடம் உங்க ஏற்று கொள்ளுங்க, போட்டு பார்த்து கொள்ளுங்க, ஏற்று கொள்ளுங்க, போட்டு பார்த்து கொள்ளுங்க.
Scene 6. Ghatatkacha, using his magical powers, pulls all the delicious food items and gobbles everything. He is happy after then scrumptious meal.
கல்யாண சமையல் சாதம், கல்யாண சமையல் சாதம், காய்கறிகளும் பிரமாதம், அந்த கௌரவ பிரசாதம் இதுவே எனக்கு போதும். கல்யாண சமையல் சாதம், காய்கறிகளும் பிரமாதம், அந்த கௌரவ பிரசாதம் இதுவே எனக்கு போதும்.
Scene 7. On the wedding day, Ghatatkacha appears before Lakshmana Kumara in various tantalizing form while at the hermitage, Sisirekha marries Abhimanyu. Ghatatkacha then reveals his identity. After humiliating the Kauravas, Ghatatkacha sends them back to Hastinpuram. Sisirekha's parents accept her marriage. Alright, changing two lights to white.